Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek, and I'm back with a new Google Ads case study for a junk car client. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so you don't miss all the great case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. So let's dive into this campaign. This specific campaign, we're focused on a 30-day window that we're reviewing here. The budget is $450 per day. Within this 30-day window, we've sent 421 clicks. The conversion rate on this campaign is 55.34%. So that means that over half of these clicks are converting into leads, which is really, really good. So we have had 233 conversions or leads that have been driven, and the acquisition cost on this is $33.29 per lead. So this is really good. So on this specific campaign, we built a landing page for this client, and we typically use our landing page. And the reason we do that is because we know exactly what converts really, really well. So that's how we're able to achieve this $55. And that in turn, the better it converts, the lower the cost per acquisition. So this specific campaign is driving both lead gen form that the consumer fills out, name, email, address, phone number, and then that way they can be contacted back. And then also calls. So they can pick up the phone, dial the number, or touch to call directly from their mobile device, and then it tracks all those leads tracked dynamically back into this campaign so that it's measurable. Let's take a look at the ad groups. So the ad groups are basically just essentially categories, and within the categories we have keywords that are searched on Google specifically to drive the consumers to this campaign. So as you'll see, sell my junk car, we buy junk cars Minneapolis, and this is obviously a company that's in Minneapolis. Sell wrecked cars, we buy junk cars at St. Paul. So yeah, and then you can see what is driving the majority of this. So let's take a look at the actual keywords that we're using so you can get an idea of that. So as you'll see here, we're using both phrase match and then exact match. These are driving very intent-based clicks. So phrase match means that this consumer, this phrase has to consist in the search phrase that the consumer is typing into Google and searching. And then this exact match has to have pretty much exactly sell my junk car in there. So as you can imagine, it drives very high quality intent-based clicks. If you own a junk car business and you're interested in running a successful Google Ads campaign like this one, reach out to us through the application link in the description below this video. Our team can set up a campaign like this one for your business and launch it in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have for today. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.